All right, folks, we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines during this lesson. Now, this lesson is going to be for the next 2 days, so it's for your 2 work-at-home days. And you can do it all in one day. You can spread it out. It doesn't matter to me. We're going to talk first about parallel lines very quickly. Parallel lines are 2 lines that have the same slope. And we can tell by looking at an equation what the slope of a line is. If I asked you to draw me any line that is parallel to this given line, well, let's see. The line is y equals negative 1/3 x minus 2, my y-intercept. Negative 2, my slope is negative 1/3. So my line would look like this. And if I asked you to draw me any line parallel to that line, your new line would also have a slope of negative 1/3. The y-intercept could be anything. Maybe it's 0 with a slope of negative 1/3. Or maybe it's 5 with a slope of negative 1/3. Now in Delta Math, they're going to ask you to click and drag to create a line that's parallel to the given line. No big deal. Just click one point, drag to the other point so that the 2 lines are parallel. You'll know they're parallel because they'll look parallel. If I ask you to draw me a line that's parallel to this line, well, I don't know what the slope of this line is yet. Parallel lines, again, have the same slope. I need to do a little bit of algebra here to come up with the slope of this line. I'll subtract the 3x from both sides. Minus 2y equals minus 3x plus 12. And then divide by that negative 2, and now here's my slope. The original line would have been y equals 3/2 x minus 6. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a slope of up 3/2. Original line looks like this. You can draw me any line that is parallel to this line. Here's a little hint though. Parallel doesn't mean the same line. So if you gave me a line that's parallel and said y equals 3/2 x minus 6, not quite right. 3/2 x minus 6 is not parallel to itself. Any other y-intercept, y equals 3/2 x plus 0 is good. There's a line that's parallel to the given line. Okay, so if we don't know the slope, we find the slope, put it in slope-intercept form, find the slope, and we're good. We'll pause here.